Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI, and if you own a kitchen, that means you need to own this stone dish drying mat from Zebediah. This has become a game changer for me in my kitchen as I don't own a dishwasher, so I do have to hand wash all my dishes by hand. And before I was using a cloth dish towel to dry my dishes, but you know, with any cloth material, they don't always dry 100%, and sometimes they start to smell and they can even hold on to some bacteria. So I was blown away by this product because I did hand wash all my dishes and I was so impressed with how fast this material dries. I set a timer, a time lapse, and I was amazed by, before my own eyes, this dried almost instantly. As well, the material is so nice because it's non-slip. So your dishes, your ceramic, your glass will not slip on this material. They stayed in place really nicely, and as well there's a nice groove around the whole stone mat, which keeps everything in place. As well, they come with these cute little legs. So I did use this product with and without the legs. I love them either way, but they were so easy to just screw on, and there was a little back you can put on to make sure that this doesn't move around on your countertop. As well, I found so many other ways to use this drying mat. I used it to dry my fruit, which worked out so well, and as well I used it to style some of my products in my bathroom. Just because it's antibacterial, you know that you can use it in your kitchen, in your bathroom, without that fear. So I just feel like it elevates the look of your kitchen. It looks so much nicer than any cloth dish towel, and I just love the fact that my dishes dry even faster, and this looks so beautiful against my stainless steel appliances. So this was a no-brainer for me. It came so nicely packaged. I am just so impressed with this company, with this product. I know you'll love it as well, but that's just my point of view.